In this video, I'm going to show you the order of crochet stitches based off of their height.
Hi, this is Katie, and welcome to the Nodding Perch, where I like to talk and share all things crochet. So you ready? Let's go.
The shortest and flattest stitch in crochet is called the slip stitch. You'll use it when you are joining your rounds, fastening off, or surface crochet. Surface crochet just means that you are slip stitching a design on top of your crochet project, almost like embroidery. It is a very simple stitch. You just insert your hook, yarn over, and you pull through both the loops. Here's what the slip stitch looks like. The next size stitch is called the single crochet stitch. It is the basic crochet stitch, and it does not leave a lot of gaps, so perfect for plushies and for beginners. How you do the single crochet is you insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through both those loops. Single crochet will most likely be the first stitch that you learn when you learn how to crochet. Here's the single crochet. The next tallest stitch is called the half double crochet. This happens to be my favorite stitch. It's very versatile, and as a beginner you can learn to add a lot of dimension and texture to your projects with this stitch. The half double crochet is notorious for its third loop right back here, which is a really fun loop to work into, which can create your dimensions and textures. To do a half double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops. This is the half double crochet. The next tallest stitch is called the double crochet. It's a looser stitch compared to the single crochet. Double crochet has a really nice drape to it, and it can work up quickly, which is perfect for beginners when they want to make scarves and blankets. To do the double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. This is the double crochet. Next is the triple crochet, which you will also hear others call as the treble crochet. It is one of the tallest stitches, and you will mainly use it when you want to add height to your project. Just like a double crochet, it does drape very nicely due to the length of the stitch. To do the triple crochet, you yarn over twice on your hook, insert, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. Here is the triple crochet stitch. For a more detailed tutorial on the individual stitches, please check out my Basic Beginners playlist. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy crocheting!